Hi, I'm Usman and today I'm here to explain you how to access your ASA device using ASDM. So I'll start by running GNS3 application on my desktop. I will add ASA and I will go with the first one. After that I need an Ethernet switch and a cloud. The cloud you use, most probably you already know that you use the cloud to connect a virtual machine to an Ethernet interface, physical or virtual, on your local machine. So to connect this cloud to my virtual Ethernet interface, I will click on configure, the cloud name, and just to show you, these are the interfaces that I am having on my machine. Just to show you, I will go to adapter settings and I will show you. I'm going to use this one, VMnet 8. I have a couple of them, like loopback one. This is also a virtual interface, Ethernet interface actually, and I have VMnet 1 and VMnet 8. But right now, for the timing, I will be going with VMnet 8. So let's verify what IP address this interface is having. So it is having an IP address of 192.168.247.1. Okay, I will go back and I will connect this cloud with VMnet 8. Press apply and OK. Now I will connect the first interface with the first port, and the second port of the switch I will connect with the cloud. Basically it's getting connected to my VMnet 8 interface. And that's it. After that I will start my ASA. And I will access it through console. And as usual, I'm gonna make font a bit bigger. Sorry, I forgot to make it bold, but not a big problem. I can go back and do it again. And here's the topology. It's gonna take some time, which is very much normal. Just be patient, nothing to worry about. And there you go. Enable and then configuration mode. Let's verify what are the interfaces we are having. And one more beauty of the Cisco ASA is that you don't have to go back to enable mode. You don't have to exit the configuration mode, and you don't need to add do at the starting of your command, like other Cisco router and switches. So these are the interfaces we are having, and I'm using the first one, that is gigabit Ethernet 0. So first of all I will assign an IP address to my interface. So let's go to gigabit Ethernet 0. .168.247.2. VMnet 8 interface is having 192.168.247.1, so I'll be going with the second one, 255.255.255.0, and name if inside. You'll have to give name if, otherwise you will be not able to use your interface. After that, no shut, and HTTP server enable, then HTTP 192.168.247.1 255.255.255 and 255, and inside I'm actually allowing HTTP traffic from my virtual interface on ASA in the inwards direction. After that, let's verify the connectivity. This is my local machine, 247.1. This is my local interface, the virtual one, VMnet 8. Now let's verify by pinging the ASA interface, and the connectivity is fine. Now let's verify from ASA side, ping 247.1, and it is successful, and .2 for sure it would be successful. After that, you need to have ASDM image that I'm having on my local drive in C and TFTP folder, because you are going to use TFTP server to upload from the machine perspective, and you're going to download this image on your ASA. So I will run TFTP server, and the TFTP server is up and running. Now I will do copy TFTP, the source, and the destination is flash. The address you already know, 192.168.247.1. This is my local machine address. The source file name, this is the one. One more thing I would like to explain, that before uploading this image from your machine to ASA, you should keep this image in the TFTP root directory, otherwise you won't be able to upload it. So the name I already have copied. I'm sorry, I haven't copied, I guess I'm forgetting it. Just copy the name and paste it here with .bin, because this is a bin file, just to verify, and you can see this is a bin file. Press enter, and destination file I would like to keep it same, so I'm not gonna write the name, and I will just press enter because I want to keep it same. And now it's being copied from TFTP server, that is my local machine hard drive. It's gonna take a couple of seconds. and you can see it's writing current ASDM file on the flash, so it's being written. And you can see it's already copied, and the time it have taken is 60 point something milliseconds, and the size of the file that have been copied is this one, and it is in bytes. So now you will open your browser. I will use my Mozilla Firefox, and the IP address of the interface of your ASA, and you already know it's 192.168.247.2, and I will add HTTPS before this IP address, and there you go. Click on install ASDM launcher and run ASDM. If you haven't installed it already, it's asking you username and password, and which is not on the ASA, so I will quickly add a username and password. Username Usman, and password, let's say it's Cisco, and privilege level that I want to assign myself is 15, and let's see, Usman, and password is Cisco, and press OK, and you can see it's being downloaded, and open it, install it. Let me see where is the installation process, and it is already installed. So Usman, and password is Cisco, and press OK, and press continue, and it's reading the ASA for the configurations and everything to display us, and there you can see, here you can see that it's ready. Now you can configure anything from here. You can see the interface status, the routing information, and OSPF, RIP, EIGRP is there, and from here you can configure your firewall, remote access VPN. Well, you can do anything you want. So this was the video to show you how to access your ASA device using ASDM. Thanks for watching, and I hope that it would have been informative for you. Thanks again.